Amidst the quiet of a shortened trading week, the stock market is subtly yet steadily climbing. As 2023 draws to a close, let's delve into the nuances of this rising market. Good morning, listeners, and welcome to a new episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to walk you through the latest happenings in the stock market. On Wednesday, the stock market experienced modest gains in a week marked by limited trading and few significant market drivers. The Standard & Poor's 500 edged closer to its all-time high close of 4,796, adding a subtle 0.1% to its value. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq Composite both saw a modest increase of about 0.2%. Looking at the year as a whole, it's been a period of notable growth for major averages. The Standard & Poor's 500 has ascended over 24%, while the Dow Jones has grown by more than 13%. Leading the charge, the Nasdaq has surged approximately 44% this year, highlighting the tech sector's resilience. As we step into the final days of December, the market is on the verge of extending its winning streak. If the Standard & Poor's 500 continues its current trajectory, it's poised for its 9th consecutive week of gains, a feat not seen since 2004. This sustained growth reflects a market that has risen nearly 13% since the beginning of November. The recent market surge stems from growing investor confidence that the Federal Reserve might reduce interest rates in March. Inflation appears to be aligning closer to the central bank's 2% target, with no significant indicators pointing towards an economic downturn. This week's news has been relatively light, with little impact on the overall market direction, allowing equity prices to drift upwards. In corporate news, the New York Times Company saw its shares climb over 2% following its lawsuit against Microsoft and OpenAI for alleged copyright infringement. Meanwhile, Apple's legal victory to pause the sales ban of its latest Apple Watch series in the US, amidst a patent dispute with Massimo, caused a slight increase in its stock value. Conversely, Massimo's shares dipped more than 6% after the court's decision. On the bond front, Treasury yields have been maintaining levels not seen since mid-2023. The 10-year Treasury yield dropped to around 3.80%, a significant decrease of nearly 9 basis points. As we approach the end of the year, the stock market's recent performance indicates a trend of cautious optimism among investors. It's a reminder that even in quieter periods, the market can offer opportunities for growth and resilience. That's all for today's episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Thank you for joining me. I'll catch you tomorrow with a brand new episode. Have a great Thursday, everyone.